All right, guys, 3D layout of the kitchen. Starting with the island, 123 inches. The sink is centered, trash can, beverage fridge, dishwasher, and then a drawer stack on this side. So these red lines represent 42 inches of space. If you have an overhang, 12-inch overhang on the back, 12-inch deep cabinets on the back. So we have good walk through here and here. Front of the sink, apron sink, again the trash, beverage, dishwasher. The back of the island, 12-inch deep cabinets. Your fridge, 48-inch wide fridge. The pantry cabinet, and then I don't remember if we're doing a double oven here. If so, this is the space that needed, but if it's a single oven or a micro and an oven, that's still the space needed here. Pantry cabinet is 23 inches wide. The wall on the 45-degree angle, and then the wall, this is where the wall ends. The peninsula is right here. The range wall, 48-inch range, spice pull-out, tray divider. Our upper cabinets, these are glass as well as the other wall, and then big drawer stacks on either side. This hood, if we slope it in on the sides and slope it on the front, just doing this with this program is a little limited, so it looks odd. All that there is what I'm referring to. So obviously if we could drop down to maybe 36-inch fridge, pick up another foot of cabinet of pantry space. But this is what we have so far. I'll take a look at this and let me know what you think with this layout. Thanks.